Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to activate your Verblio writer profile and start creating amazing content. Let's dive right in. First step, create an account. To get started, you'll need to create a Verblio account. Visit the Verblio website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After entering your details, click Create Account. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and verify your email address to proceed. Second step, complete your writer profile. Once your email is verified, log in to your Verblio account. You'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, locate the section for Profile or Writer Profile. Click on it to start filling out your profile information. It's important to provide a clear bio that showcases your writing skills and expertise. Don't forget to add a professional photo to make your profile stand out. Third step, choose your writing preferences. After completing your profile, navigate to the Settings or Writing Preferences section. Here, you can select the topics that interest you and align with your writing skills. This step is crucial as it determines the types of assignments you will receive. Choose wisely to ensure you receive writing projects that you're passionate about. Fourth step, submit a writing sample. To activate your writer profile, you will need to submit a writing sample. This can be an article, blog post, or any other writing work that demonstrates your capabilities. Make sure it's well written, error-free, and relevant to the topics you've selected in your preferences. After your sample is approved, your profile will be fully activated. Fifth step, start claiming writing assignments. With your profile activated, you're all set to start creating content. Check the available assignments regularly and claim projects that interest you. Pay attention to deadlines and guidelines provided by each client. This is your opportunity to showcase your talent and build your portfolio. Remember, the more assignments you complete, the more exposure and opportunities you will gain within the Verblio platform. That's it for today's tutorial on activating your Verblio writer profile. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you kickstart your writing journey on Verblio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy writing!